So, what is up, everybody? We're talking walking and we're talking a plant based diet in this video. Showing you a few clips of me adventures. So, a plant based diet is fantastic. But before we get into this, let me just show you a clip of an allotment that I went to not that long ago. This is amazing. Really, really cool to see nature and see all these different farming methods. Out here with a few homies just going for a walk, and I was just checking this out. Look at that! Oh man, this is some of the stuff that's sold in the vet shop where I work. But I'm just seeing it, in the process. Oh, look at this! Damn, nature is so beautiful. So these are some of the amazing sights you can see along your walking journey as you're improving your health, as you're improving your mood and your fitness, as you're improving your energy. And if you can combine a walking lifestyle with a plant-based lifestyle, fruits, vegetables, salads, greens, and you make them tasty, you find a way to make them tasty, you get the right recipes, and you commit to a plant-based lifestyle, you will be on the long road to success, especially when it comes to sustainable weight loss. You won't have to starve yourself ever again.